Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, thank you for this time for presentation. My name is Urbay. The title of this proposal slide is the sources of teaching agency of Malagasy pre-service teacher in an Indonesian classroom, a case study of an international student by Marbejokot Urbay. Phenomenon of this study: the globalization of education has led to more international practicums wherever pre-service teachers from diverse backgrounds must adapt to new classroom systems while demonstrating teaching competence by Kabilan 2013 and Richard 2011. In the Indonesian context, several studies have examined teaching agency among locally fed pre-service teachers, focusing on public speaking fear, lack of teaching confidence, and the challenges in classroom interaction by Marwan 2007 and Fitria 2020. The gap of this study: most research on teaching agency overlooks the lived experiences of African fed pre-service teachers in Southeast Asia. The study addressed that gap by exploring a Malagasy student teachers agency in an Indonesian classroom. Research question and objective: this study will address the question, what are the sources to the teaching agency experienced by the Malagasy pre-service teacher during her practicums. So the objective is this study explores the sources of teaching agency experienced by Malagasy pre-service teacher during her teaching practicum. Sources: the theoretical of this study by Adli et al. 2020. There are 5 factors such as self-perception of language proficiency, lack of teaching experience, lack of student interest, fear of negative evaluation, and the difficulties with time management. Research dicing: qualitative single case study. Setting of this study: University in Kendari, Sulawesi Tenggara. Participant: Malagasy pre-service teacher studying English education at the University in Southeast Sulawesi. The instrument is in-depth interview. Data collection: conducted depth semi-structured interview. There are recording and transcribe the interview. The data analysis: this data analyzed by thematic analysis adopted by Brown and Clark 2006. Coding method by the Sardana 2016 and color coding by Lee et al. 2023. Thank you very much.